Okay, let's check it out, guys. Let's see what's going on. So, it's been a long time, hasn't it? 62 Nova, brought it in for body and paint. No welding on this car, just body and paint. Gentleman bought it this way, had a big block in it, automatic, posi rear end in the back. So it had sat for 2 years. We finally got it up and running. If you saw my Instagram, I did a little video there of it up and running. Just carburetor needed a few new O-rings and that. Obviously they dried up. Dumped the oil, did an oil change on it, went through all the fluids, all that kind of bullshit. Runs like a dream. What else can I tell you here about this car? It's going, if you can see, it's a little dusty. It's going the, this is a 2004 Viper Gray. That's what it's going. Hey, this is going to be a fun little cruiser for this gentleman. My neighbor down the road, he's not getting overly carried away with this car. Jump in it, go for a ride. It should be pretty quick. I would think this thing's got to be, fuck, if it ain't 400 horse, there's something wrong. Now, the 73 CUDA. You remember this one? Okay, well, it's up on the rack. We're taking all the, Chris is taking all the chrome off it and stuff like that. Gentleman's going to come by, pick all the chrome up. He's at home polishing up all the chrome and doing all that kind of stuff. Anything to keep himself busy. Remember, I put full quarters and outer wheel tubs on it. So there's the quarters on there. This car is actually very solid. As you can see, the floor pans are decent. Looking good. 52 Pontiac. It's been a while. Okay, so the Pontiac is in basically pretty much, it needs to be blocked over and then go in final primer. It's ready for paint. But we had to assemble the whole front end. Chris had to pre-fit everything. Had to cut it out for the steering because it's got a Mustang too. Had to figure out how to make all the brackets, the U-joints, the holders. Had to get the booster and the master mounted up on there. Had to get all the stuff up for the AC that the gentleman's going to run. And then we had custom-made inner fenders that we were putting on it, so we had to make all that kind of stuff up, make it fit. And then we got the 56 Chevy pickup in the side there. Gentleman's been waiting on parts for a lifetime, but they're slowly getting in, and we've been working on that. We got the aftermarket doors on. They're a bit of a nightmare. Anything aftermarket never fits right. So we've been fitting them and getting those all kind of lined up. We're going to tidy up the edges a little bit more. We rounded the corners on the doors. Looks a little better. You can see the door used to come into here. So what I basically do is I cut the corner. This would have been the door. I cut the corner of the door off, re-weld the door up, take the corner from the door, weld it in there. How did I get this? I took the same contour from here. Took a piece of cardboard, laid it out here, cut it how it would have been, and then used it as this so it pretty much matches, so you can see. I actually like the look of the rounded corners. I'm surprised that the dealers never did that back in the day. So that's a lot better there. That is what is going on in this shop today. So there you go. Bit of a mess in here. It's winter time, so we're jamming them in the winter. You can't be working outside. They tell us snow is on the way this weekend, so we will see. So there you go, guys. Remember, it's always a good time at Old Time. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Check us out on Instagram, Rick_OldTimeGarage. You'll find me out there. And that is about it. Big thumbs up, people. Keep out.